30s or late 20s, but they're very successful in the field of online e-commerce business. Let's give them a round of applause. And thank you for the trust and confidence, Dave and Aljon, of getting Emma as your first endorser. Actually, the choice, that orange color was my choice. Yung sabi ko sa designer,
namin si Emma. Diba? Nakakakilig na parang very friendly. Tapos parang hindi na uubusan ng energy. Diba? Laging, wow, dapat pag nasa labas pala tayo, dapat Emma, posturang Emma tayo. Na oo, Emma energy, Emma Sona talaga. So, every time nakikita namin siya, kinikilig talaga kami. And, yun. I think that's one word talaga na pwede kong i-describe yung partnership ni Honest Glow with Emma. It's so kilig.
It's so kilig. Is honesty and authenticity in your beauty and skincare routine.
Honesty and authenticity is what makes you unique, what makes you different to other people. So it's really important to show who you really are. And I think that really, parang ginamit ko yon through my grand journey. Kaya naman nakuha natin yung back-to-back victory. Doon pa lang, being authentically you, being fearlessly authentic you, makukuha mo kung anong gusto mo. Kasi no need to pretend, no need to fake it. Some people say kapag sa pageant ka or any other industry, fake it till you make it, diba? But for me, no need to fake it. You just need to faith it till you make it.
Follow-up question ako dyan. How do you plan to connect with Honest Glow's community and loyal customers?
How do I plan? One thing is, well, alam naman natin, di ba, selling Honest Glow products is through online. So, dun ko plano makipag-connect muna with our market sa online. Kotaka, as they say in Thailand. Pero dito, bili na kayo, mga mi! Di ba? So, I will use the social media platform to really tell the story. Tell my Honest Glow story sa mga hindi pa nakakagamit nito. So siguro yun yung best platform to share this.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Share naman sa viewers natin, how do you maintain your flawless skin? Especially with your busy schedule sa pageant and pag-travel.
Halata bang walang tulog?
Pero glowing ka rin.
Fresh from Thailand. Sawadee to my Thai friends and Thai fans. Well, how do I maintain this one? Well, of course, you need to hydrate. Water is really important. You need to have healthy choices pagdating sa food. And lastly, you need an Honest Glow choice. Kaya naman, pinili ko din tong Honest Glow. Actually, dala-dala ko yung Honest Glow kahit sa Thailand. At nga, bibigyan ko yung roommate ko, hindi lang natuloy talaga eh. Pero yun siguro talaga, hydrate, yung sleep hindi ko po ma-offer muna sa ngayon ha. Itatry ko muna matulog. Pero rest talaga. Kailangan ng rest as much as you can. And healthy choices and honest choices like Honest Glow po pagdating sa product.
Emma.
Actually, yung birthday ko, mostly, yung ko nakita yung post ko, mostly na-celebrate ko siya sa airport and plane because there's no direct flight going to Phuket and going back to Manila. So, nag-layover pa ako sa Malaysia. So, doon ko siya celebrate. But before that, I was happy and I was blessed that I celebrated it first here in the Philippines with my family, with my friends. And then when I get to Phuket, I gain another family. Parang inampun na ako ng Phuket family. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Even Papa Nawat sang happy birthday. So, sobrang nakakatuwa talaga na hindi, alam mo yung dati gusto ko lang mag-celebrate with your classmates na nag-aaral ka pa. Pero ngayon, iba-ibang tao na iba-ibang nationality na actually the whole world, totoo po, even the international fans po, talaga namang nag-greet. Kaya I am really thankful, I am blessed for this year po talaga. And I really want to share that blessing to other people.
nakita na namin sa TikTok, ang pangalan na daw sa Thailand ngayon is Emma Pautang. But kidding aside, yes, kidding aside, as the latest endorser for Honest Glow, as a traveler, as a Miss Grand International winner, meron ka bang travel packet or package for Honest Glow na kaya mong dalhin anytime, anywhere sa pagbiyahe mo, which our viewers and audience can also have?
Kinakausap mo pa lang, patapos na, parang, hello, parang, hi, alis na sila. Si Emma, hello, ganito, ganyan. Ang dami ng chika. Oo, parang, be, okay, ang dami mong kinikwento, ang dami mong sinasabi. Parang kami na yung nahihiya na, huy, baka kailangan mo na magpahinga. Di ba? Feeling ko naman naramdaman nyo rin yun at some point sa dami nating queens. So, ayun lang, siguro advice lang sa ibang queens natin na parang iba yung napipil ng mga fans pag gano'n yung nangyayari. So, I think we can learn from Emma na no matter who you are, sana equal yung treatment, di ba?
My question is, sige, since ako yung last question, and this is all about Honest Glow. Actually, natanong na kasi yung tanong ko eh, kung bakit Honest Glow eh.
Hindi natin.
No. With everything that you've been doing here for Hello, for Honest Glow, how do you see the product 10 years from now?
Ayun, 10 years
So
from
it's
now.
coming your way. So I wonder, and palaging intro sa'yo as the first Filipina to achieve that back-to-back title for Miss Grand International, has the concept of beauty changed for you? How would you define the concept of beauty now that you are the reigning Miss Grand International? Nagbago ba sa pananaw mo from way before you were aspiring to become a full-fledged beauty queen a decade ago?
The concept of beauty for me did not change at all. Kasi tinuruan ako, like what I've said a while ago, my family taught me and my mentors taught me to be just you, because beauty pageant itself is an entertainment. And the people watching, they really want to see who you really are. They don't want to see you copying other people. Kasi they will be entertained if you yourself, you're happy with what you're doing. So siguro, yung beauty for me, the concept of beauty for me is just being you. Just being honestly you. Uniquely you. So, ganun pa rin talaga. When we talk about beauty, we don't talk about just physically. We talk about holistically of who you are and what you show to the people. Kung gaano ka ka-honest sa kanila. Kasi if you keep on pretending and if you keep on faking it, mapapagod at mapapagod ka. The energy that you're giving to other people, mauubos ka. Unlike if you're honest, unlike if you're true to yourself, yung energy na binibigay mo, parang it keeps growing and glowing. Kaya yun siguro yung concept ng beauty for me. Hindi siya napabago. As long na ikaw sa sarili mo, hindi napabago yung core mo at yung foundation mo.
Thank you very much and